Okay, here is the Warrior palette by Juvia's Place. So I'm gonna use Kano as my transitional color. Oh, it matches so perfect. That's one thing about they browns, honey. Their browns just be, some you have that are lighter, some you have that are darker. But then you always end up with one that's absolutely your absolute eye color, and that is great for me. Highlight color. So I think I want to use this Aussie for the highlight, and it's going to be, this is a matte color. Y'all, I just love Juvia's.